Are you looking for the best oven toasters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best oven toasters that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Westben TEMPR 100 toaster. Whenever you need to shop for any modern toaster, the fee will usually be a key element. This is one less costly toaster that is now available at a reduced fee, hence one you don't want to miss. The toaster has an additional extensive toasting slot that enables it to healthy thick bread and bagels. It additionally capabilities a breakfast station, that is a 4-slot toaster with a tray to heat meats and some other one to boil eggs. It is an ergonomic toaster to be able to offer you dependable and handy services. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cuisinart CPT 420 Touch Toaster. Cuisinart CPT 420 Touch Toaster is a present-day and top-notch toaster that is straightforward to apply and manipulate. It is because the toaster has an LCD countdown with a blue backlit. This will permit you to have a control of all the features of the toaster for a fantastic tasting toast. It additionally has a cozy wire wrap that allows for the least use on the counter. To make certain that it serves you for the longest time feasible, it has a stainless steel housing with a motorized carry, as a result very durable. Why pass out on this? Get it via making your order today, and you may love the amazing flavor of the toast. At number 3, we have the Breville BOV800XL Smart Oven Toaster. Breville BOV800XL is a high best and very capable oven toaster that delivers simply as expected. The toaster has element IQ that allows it to provide the right strength for the toasting. Besides this, it additionally has as much as 9 preset capabilities that make it a versatile toaster you don't want to miss. With the huge and easy-to-read LCD display, you will find it very ergonomic and one of the high quality in the marketplace these days. Began with this first-rate toaster nowadays, and you'll by no means leave out the tasty and mouth-watering bread toast you love. 1-year limited product warranty. Place the oven on a flat, dry floor. Ensure there's a minimum distance of 4 inches 10 centimeters of space on each facets of the appliance. At number 2, we have the Breville BOV650XL Compact Oven Toaster. The durability and performance of any toaster will always be an essential factor in shopping for the toaster. For a long-lasting and efficient toaster, the Breville BOV650XL is an splendid desire considering the fact that it's fabricated from great stainless steel. It is likewise effortless to manipulate because it features a backlit LCD display screen from in which you could manipulate all of the features. It cooks very speedy, and regardless of its pinnacle notch functions, it's highly reasonably priced and cheap. And finally at number 1, we have the Oster Large Capacity Countertop 6-Slice Oven Toaster. Do you need a large ability toaster that may serve your family higher? The Oster Large Capacity Countertop Oven Toaster is a perfect preference as it can preserve up to 6 slices, for this reason saves time. It also employs the convection technology that permits it to cook dinner faster and correctly. The toaster additionally features a digital manipulate gadget with interior mild for viewing. Besides being capable of keep up to 6 slices, it has a huge indoors which could maintain 13x9 pan, casseroles, and ham amongst others. Get it today by means of making your order now, and it will be added inside the estimated time. Digital controls with interior light for smooth viewing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.